Thank you so much for showing interest in working with me. It means a lot. I'm Lori McIntosh at eXp Realty. I have put this video together to answer some questions before we connect and to demonstrate why I believe I'm the best choice for you to hire when it comes to selling your home that you've grown to love so much. You're watching this because you want to hire an experienced agent who can do the best job for your most valuable asset, your home. I am here to do just that and ensure this experience is as seamless as possible along the way. There are so many key factors to consider when selling, such as pricing, marketing, negotiations, and the experience level of the professional you hire, among others. I've been in sales for over 30 years, mostly in pharmaceutical sales, which requires a very strong personality who is a hunter and a top producer with whatever product was given to me to promote. I did it. In my career as a realtor, my first year, I quickly became one of the top 10% agents in Placer County and the top 15% in Nevada and El Dorado counties. Take a look at my resume. I'd love to share it with you. I take my education seriously, having spent several hundred hours learning more every week. Every day, in fact, to continue upgrading my skill set, obtaining designations, credentials, and training so that I can represent you to the best of my ability so I can serve you the best way possible. I understand all too well the challenges of knowing who to trust. Let's discuss what I consider one of the most important aspects of the selling process: marketing. Yes, that's it. Marketing is a crucial component in selling your home and maximizing the return on your investment. ROI is key. Consider this. During the big Super Bowl, marketers spent over $7 million for a 30-second commercial because they understand the importance of attention and exposure. I do too. I have been leveraging digital marketing, innovation, video, and social media to my sellers' advantage and continue to educate myself on the best marketing strategies. Effective marketing is now more essential than ever to selling in today's housing market. A weak online presence can cost you immensely and leave money on the table. Marketing is an area many agents struggle with. In California, for example, only 135 hours of pre-licensing training is required before you take your exam. Unfortunately, what you learn doesn't translate well into real-life transactions, and it includes nothing about marketing, which is horrible, right? Marketing is truly the key to getting your home sold. I'm not just talking about open houses, flyers, and broker tours. These are outdated techniques that aren't as effective in today's digital age. It's all too common for an agent to simply list a home on the MLS or hold an open house. This is concerning because according to NAR, the National Association of Realtors, home buying and selling report, that's less than 2% of all homes sold. That's crazy. Nationally, are a direct result of an open house. Statista reports that 99% of buyers aged 24 to 57 years old use the internet to find homes during their buying process. Just listing on the MLS and hosting an open house is simply inefficient. In the past, those methods were used because we didn't like the internet. We didn't have the internet. It's not that we didn't like it, we didn't have it. We didn't have video. We didn't have social media. Now, mastering digital marketing takes a significant amount of experience, research, and education. I am becoming an expert digital marketer, and I believe your home deserves maximum exposure. I strive to showcase your home to thousands, not just a few, thousands, by thinking outside the box and employing a comprehensive digital marketing strategy unlike any I've seen other agents do. I focus on innovation, technology, video, and social media, and use them effectively. My extensive research shows that less than 1% of agents nationwide are using these tools correctly. Many use the buzz term of social media and technology, but without proper training in comprehensive digital marketing strategies, they are merely posting on their personal business pages, which is simply not enough. Companies like Facebook generate income through advertising and recognize the value that ads bring when it comes to increased awareness. To market your home for maximum exposure, you must invest money and run effective ad campaigns, ensuring that your home is seen by a massive audience. I'm being trained on online digital marketing strategies that have been able to generate results like this. Let me give you some examples. There is power in numbers. Here are a few examples to illustrate this point. Let's look at the numbers. Where it says reach here, that's how many people my trainer was able to reach with this advertisement for a home. Imagine over 132,000 people seeing your home online, and in another case, 76,000 views. On Sungrove Way near Brentwood, they achieved 559 hours of watch time, over 757,000 impressions, which is the number of times the ad was seen, including multiple views from users, and over 10,500 people actually watched the video. Plus, they had over 41,000 people engaging, meaning they liked, commented, or shared the video. Zillow, however, only attained 1,509 views. For Elizabeth Lane in Antioch, they had 227 hours of watch time, over 323,000 impressions, and over 25,200 people watched more than 50% of the video, and 101,000 people were engaged. Wow. Their numbers significantly surpassed those in Zillow, which had only 709 views. On Bonifacio Street in Concord, they logged 288 hours of watch time, over 341,000 impressions, and over 20,000 people watched the video, and over 52,000 people were engaged. Mind-blowing. I also create impressive landing pages for my listed homes on social media, incorporating video. And according to Orion 21, landing pages with video achieve up to 800% more conversions than those without. Another striking statistic is that buyers are 40% more likely to visit a home they've seen online. That is why it's my fiduciary duty to expose your home to as many potential buyers as possible online. I also engage in geographic detailed targeting, reaching both local and out-of-area prospects across various social platforms. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm getting incredible training on this right now that has been able to achieve results like this. I advertise properties extensively as seen in the amount of time people spend watching the videos. Imagine having your property home tour watched 555 hours, 394 hours, or 357 hours. That equates to a substantial number of views. If we calculate 555 hours of watch time, this could mean approximately 16,650 individuals watching the home tour. Yes! This approach is far more impactful than an open house, which typically attracts only curious neighbors and looky-loos. Statistics also show 76% of consumers say they've purchased a product or a service after watching a video. Mass media reports that the average spender has 83% of video content staying up to 6 times longer. Our unique marketing abilities are designed to attract the right buyer, ensuring your home sells for more money, more quickly, and more effectively. It's important that agents demonstrate and show you that they can attain these types of results, not just assert their ability to achieve such a viewership. Retargeting is key. Another critical selling factor is the ability to market to individuals who have previously interacted with similar properties. This technique, known as retargeting, allows me to focus on potential buyers who have considered similar properties in the past. This is crucial, as the National Association of Realtors indicates that buyers typically begin their home search 3 to 6 months prior to moving. I target those who are looking at similar properties a few months back, both locally and in other cities in the Bay Area, such as San Francisco, the East Bay, like Concord, San Jose area, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, nearby Sacramento, and more. In our area, it's vital to target these regions because what buyers can afford here is often more attainable than in other counties. I will run campaigns, workflows, and funnels, including neighborhood-specific funnels showcasing local amenities like schools, restaurants, and community activities, all while educating buyers on the purchasing process. I want to ensure no potential buyer is missed. I will create neighborhood-specific community funnels for your home, highlighting all the features with as much video content as possible. Video usage in home marketing leads to quicker sales, higher prices, and increased foot traffic. Professional video and photography are essential. Using just an iPhone or stitching pictures together will not effectively capture the essence of your home. You need a professional videographer who knows how to engage a buyer's attention. Drone photography is a must. I also offer a full 3D 360-degree view of the home, providing a virtual walkthrough experience as if the buyer were physically present. I also utilize a sign writer with a texting code, allowing buyers to request information about the home and highlighting the seller's favorite features. When buyers request this, I will receive a text with the potential buyer's contact information. This enables me to follow up and gauge their interest. Additionally, I distribute over 100 flyers in the neighborhood, as well as send several hundred postcards featuring a QR code that directs the traffic to the specific neighborhood funnel, complete with marketing updates and video tours. I even utilize things like Craigslist. I know, who knew? We still use Craigslist, e-flyers to thousands of brokers, special networking groups, and more, including luxury marketing. If your home qualifies to be part of the eXp Luxury Group, I believe the finest homes deserve the finest marketing. This is why I partnered with my brokerage to advertise your home to global buyers everywhere through luxury and international advertising with top media such as the Wall Street Journal, Robb Report, Market Watch, Mansion Global, and more. And as a part of my luxury listing program, your home will receive the robust and sophisticated digital marketing exposure it deserves, both nationally and internationally, to attract buyers everywhere. Luxury Estate goes to over 120 countries. Through my partnership with Market Watch, they attract over 40 million monthly unique users. And Mansion Global attracts more than 2.3 million unique visitors, and according to their research, over 50% of these visitors are planning on building or buying a home. Of course, I do traditional marketing, such as sending out just listed postcards and creating 4-page color brochures with professional photographs, ensuring widespread internet exposure. I will do open houses as well if needed, but truly what sets me apart from other agents is my innovative approach to technology and digital marketing, coupled with my extensive experience. Having these effective systems in place makes me the community market leader in your neighborhood. Another important aspect is staging the home and preparing it for sale, which is a significant part of marketing. Data shows that staged homes sell faster and for more money. I offer full and partial staging with a free consultation with one of my professional stagers. This ensures your home is in prime condition before it hits the market. Furthermore, working with me means you get a full team of professionals specializing in each aspect of selling your home. Have you ever heard the phrase, jack of all trades, master of none? Maybe I'm Jill of all trades. No, that's not true, because here's why. It's impossible to master everything. My job is to offer you the best home inspectors, the best pest inspectors, the best septic specialists if needed, the best well water testers if needed, the best roofers, the best title and escrow reps, and the best stagers, the best lenders, and the best insurers. I only work the best of the best. I guess you get my point, right? And will give you options that fit your needs. I will ensure that all the things I promised you get done. I will meet with you to view your property, determine the price, review and sign all the essential paperwork, disclosures, contracts, and negotiate on your behalf to keep you safe from any litigation. That is not fun, right? I will communicate with other agents, answer the questions of buyers, and negotiate the best terms for your home. I am also a certified negotiation expert, a designation less than 1% of agents across the nation hold. I will assist in negotiating for the highest price and the best terms, and will advise you on what customary costs are for sellers and buyers during a transaction. But remember, everything is negotiable. Always has been. I have a knack for working extremely well with other agents and collaborating with them to get a transaction done. By attending weekly marketing meetings, I know all the hardworking realtors and give them my time and respect. In turn, they do the same for me, which helps me stand out from the competition. When I was in pharmaceutical sales, I was nicknamed the closer, as I had the experience and the knowledge to make sure my clients were well educated on my products. This transfers easily to your real estate transaction, making it smooth from start to finish. If anything, I like to over-communicate. My licensed transaction coordinators work closely as my assistants and handle all the important aspects of the transaction behind the scenes. They ensure all the documents and disclosures required to close a transaction are in order and completed on time. Time is of the essence in this whole situation of real estate. They have coordinated hundreds of contracts throughout their careers. I can always count on them for a complete file. I have top-level full-time videographers and photographers. They take care of all my professional videos, drone footage, and lifestyle clips for social media and photography. I can always count on them to take beautiful and professional photos of your home so we can market it to its fullest potential. They will do email blasts to realtors in the area so your home will be shared locally on their end as well. And finally, my coaches have several assistants who provide office hours daily for me. I mean daily, to enhance my digital marketing. They help me create beautiful brochures and flyers and assist with website displays to show your home accurately. Thanks to them, I've become a Canva expert. They help me create my Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Craigslist posts, as well as individual property websites and neighborhood community funnel pages. They also train and update me in specializing in social media marketing that helps me receive thousands of clicks, likes, reach, and comments. And as you can see from the stats, these numbers play an important role in your home selling experience. Personally, I've had over 108,000 reaches and over 82,000 impressions on my Facebook ads that I recently implemented in my marketing. Not bad, huh? My coaching team knows how important digital marketing is and what it takes to get your property sold. They know my number one job is to give your home massive exposure so it doesn't sit on the market. Be wary of agents who tell you that you will get them exclusively and that they will do it all. It is nearly impossible to do an excellent job on your own, and I know having a robust team will give you the best return on your investment. We have all heard that phrase, it takes a village. And we know the detail and expertise that go into marketing, negotiating, and seeing a transaction all the way from contract to close is almost impossible to do alone. There's no way I could do it all by myself. So I have given you a lot to think about. I encourage you to give me a call so I can get your home sold in the shortest amount of time and with the most amount of money in your pocket and on the best terms. And do not let the bells and whistles intimidate you. My fees are highly competitive and negotiable. I am here to serve you. Go look on my reviews on Google My Business, and there are even more on Zillow. Just type in my name. You'll see all 5-star reviews from my previous clients. You know why? Because my mission is to provide every client with 5-star service from the beginning to the end. And you know what? There is no end. I'll still be your girl whenever you need me. I appreciate your time today, and I can't wait to meet and work with you. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.